Good morning. We are going to once again look at modeling complements and substitutes as a way to do a little introduction to cross-price elasticity. So we have a couple of markets shown on our models with ceteris paribus conditions of price and quantity in each one. One market is for iPhones and the other market is for Android phones. So we are going to introduce a change into one of these marketplaces, and what we are going to show is we are going to show that we're going to have an increase in the price of iPhones. So we're going to increase from P1 to P2. That increase in price of iPhones is going to create a new quantity demanded for iPhones. So our increase in price has led to a decrease in quantity demanded, and that follows our law of demand. Now, if we go over into the Android marketplace and we discuss the fact that these are substitute goods, we see that people are going to buy fewer iPhones, which means that they are more likely to buy more Androids. But here's the thing, we haven't seen a change in the price of Androids. This is a change in one of the determinants of demand, which is price of a related good. So, at each and every price available, people would be more inclined to purchase an Android, and therefore we see a right shift of our demand curve, and even if the price didn't change at all, we would find ourselves buying more Android phones. And so that is the movement in the marketplaces that you would see in this particular case. Now, how would that relate to the idea of cross-price elasticity? Well, cross-price elasticity is a relationship between the percent change in quantity demanded of one good, we'll call it good A, and we compare that to the percent change in the price of another good, we'll call it good B. So in this case, we're going to take a look at how did the percent change in quantity demanded of Android phones relate to the percent change in the price of iPhones, okay? Since we don't have numbers here, we're just going to look at coefficients. And what we want to find out is, what is the coefficient of cross-price elasticity for these two types of products? All right? So, when I look at the change in the price of the iPhone, I see that the price of the iPhone increased, so we're going to have a positive coefficient there for our percent change. And at the same time that the price of iPhones increased, we also see an increase in the quantity of Androids. And so we also have a positive coefficient there. And what we can say about that is if we have a positive cross-price elasticity coefficient, you are looking at substitute goods. Thank you so much.